I'm here today with many of my fellow county elected officials to announce Set Targets, Achieve Results, our STAR initiative. Earlier this year, the Cook County Board passed an ordinance outlining new standards for performance management within the county. Through the Set Targets, Achieve Results, STAR initiative, Cook County will begin providing quality, results-oriented data that shows how services are delivered, resources are used, and whether our outcomes are achieved. The data will be released in the first report to be published in July. This is the first opportunity for all of the separate agencies of Cook County to stand together and report system-wide data in public safety, health care, property and taxation, general finance and administration. We have continually emphasized the importance of collaboration, and that means working together to meet these challenges. Reporting system-wide data allows us to have frank conversations about the costs and the quality of the services that we deliver. With pro bono support from the Civic Consulting Alliance, Boston Consulting Group, and other partners, my office has been working with all county agencies to establish goals and metrics. As part of this initiative, managers representing all, I repeat, all county agencies attended training sessions presented by the Civic Consulting Alliance and its partners. Over 20 managers from every elected office attended the training sessions. Individual working sessions with county departments and separately elected agencies were held to help refine goals and identify measures. All of us here today have pledged to work cooperatively with each other to increase efficiency, improve services, and make government more accountable to its residents. I want to thank each and every one of them. For their considerable commitment and the effort they have put into this process. This initiative touches all four of this administration's goals: fiscal responsibility, innovative leadership, transparency and accountability, and improved services. It will be the cornerstone of my administration and will help inform the county budget process in the short term and help the county's long-term financial success. The STAR initiative will play a considerable role in the upcoming budget process. The work we do now is laying the foundation for more fiscally responsible operations. During the budget process, we were shocked to find that only one office under the President's purview kept regular data-based metrics on performance. I won't speak for anybody else. We have already seen results that stem from the STAR initiative. For example, through the implementation of proper tracking and accountability measures, POET, which is now Cook County Works, worked to decrease absences due to sick days by over half on a monthly basis. In a department of roughly 50 employees, this is the equivalent of having 6 additional workers for 1 additional week. The broader goal here is that with regular performance metrics being reported, we will be able to identify the underlying issues affecting Cook County operations and in turn better allocate resources in the budget process. We can analyze what your tax dollars are being used for throughout the county.
I'm happy to be standing up here to pledge that I will continue to work with the President's office to try to identify efficiencies overall that will help us in county government. Since I've taken over as Cook County State's Attorney, I've worked really hard in my office to implement some new efficiencies. I eliminated an entire bureau when I first took over. I've also implemented a brand new case management system, which is really up and running, and it's much more efficient than what we had before. I also have sought grant money from outside of the county, and I was able to double the amount of grant monies that we have received in the last 2.5 years. And all of this to try to do my part to make sure that we are all running efficient offices. So I will continue to work with the President's office as the State's Attorney. Public safety is my #1 concern. However, we can all look inside our individual offices and see if there are ways that we can improve improve performance.
The Recorder's Office has worked effectively with other offices, including the Treasurer's Office, where we collect data and transmit that data to the Treasurer so that she is not sending out tax bills to folks that don't no longer own the property. We also work with the Assessor's Office to achieve the same initiative, whereby we are not duplicating our services. We collect data that they use to help to do the declarations. So our office works with all the elected officials in transmitting land records information so that they're more efficient in their operations.
I'm happy to stand here with President Preckwinkle with this STAR initiatives. The Clerk of the Circuit Court has worked over the years to ensure operational efficiency. That is one of the main prongs of my 5 strategic initiatives, which represents 21st century technology, customer service, operational efficiency, training the employees properly, and also financial accountability. We will continue to work with the President. We believe that our electronic filing system, as well as our imaging and document management system, imaging all of the documents that come into the clerk's office, will play a large role in ensuring that the Clerk of the Circuit Court operates in a even more efficient manner.
The health and hospital systems already reports in many areas, particularly to the state and federal agencies, which are currently online, and we welcome the opportunity to share those results as well as the additional measures that we'll be working with the President's office to report.
I also stand in support of the President's initiative because working together, I truly believe that each office, including the Assessor's Office, end result, by streamlining services, that we can save taxpayers money in the long run, which is our full responsibility and our commitment to work with the President to make sure that county government is there to serve the people. Thank you.
I look forward to it when their budgets are presented in the to see the but I'm proud to stand with the individuals behind me and look forward to working with the President and the entire finance team.
I just like to say, as the lone wolf here, I believe as the lone Republican, this is and Dan, there's Dan with me. This is something the counties look forward to for a long time. This isn't about Republican or Democrat. This is about good government. And this is about a county board president who wants to be accountable to the people of Cook County to create streamlined services and become more efficient. I commend her for what she's doing here. I commend the other separately elected officials. And this is something that people of Cook County have looked forward to for many years. Thank you.